Hey guys, this is Mani Karthik here with another episode. So in this episode, I'm going to share with you four different genuine, time-tested, guaranteed ways by which you can actually make money online sitting at home, working from home, provided you have a stable internet connection and a laptop. So if you're interested in making money sitting at home, doing one-off gigs, watch this episode. So before I share with you the four different jobs by which you can sit at home and make money, let me introduce you to another concept here. So basically on the internet, there are platforms as in websites wherein people come in and post their requirements for jobs. For example, I'm not talking about jobs as in something that would require an MBA degree or a BTech degree or anything like that. One of odd jobs, for example, giving voiceover to a video, writing content, information research, data entry, stuff like this, which you don't have to have an MBA degree or a BTech degree or anything like that. You can't actually go to a job portal and look for jobs like this. So these are job portals, of course, but then you don't find the typical jobs, but more like work from home jobs. And one such website is called Fiverr. On Fiverr, people post all their requirements for one-off jobs, and you can actually go and grab those jobs from there. And you can also advertise your services. For example, if you're very good at writing, then you can go into Fiverr and say, hey, I can write such and such 500-word article for you at this rate. And if they find it interesting, people will come and hire you. So both of these things happen on these platforms. So one such platform is called Fiverr, and I have a link to the website in the description below. You can click on the link and sign up for Fiverr, where you'll get access to Fiverr and you can sign up and advertise your services. So before I jump into that, let me share with you the four different ways by which you can make money through Fiverr sitting at home. So like I mentioned, unfortunately, many of the things that you see online and hear online, especially in the make money online niche, is kind of, borderline scam. But on Fiverr, I can vouch for it, guaranteed. It's a reliable website where you can go in and, find jobs, also advertise your services. And it's a very verified kind of a service where, all the gigs are actually verified. Whatever is posted there is verified, and you get money from the website. You can send invoices and all these different kinds of stuff. So it's very much verified. So the number one is called product research. So there are companies or products that needs a lot of research from people, for genuine, regular people like us. So what they do is they post those jobs on Fiverr like website. So a typical job would be something like, hey, we need to find out what is the demand for this kind of product in India or in Hindi speaking regions or Tamil speaking regions or whatever it is. So what you need to do is go on the internet and look for what people are searching for, formulate an opinion and present it to the people. So basically it's like you're doing a lot of valuable work, but this is not something that can be posted on a job portal like Naukri or Monster or something like that. This is a different kind of job, right? So product research is an amazing way to make some money online, because what you have to do is genuine, fact-based research on the internet. And that's very easy to do, because once you have a laptop or even a mobile phone and actually have a good solid internet connection, anyone can do this. The only thing is you need to have a mind of a researcher, so that you have to make sure you pick up all the information that is valuable. There might be a format that is required, so you have to abide by that format, make sure you put in the information that is required and present it to the company. So product research is my number one suggestion. You can find it on Fiverr. Sign up with the link given in the description below, and you'll get access to product research. So the next job is relationship advice. I know there are a lot of people out there. You'd be surprised to know that there are a lot of people who are looking to get advice from people because they are either they don't have anyone to look up for, because of privacy reasons, whatever it is. People need to talk to people on relationship, and a lot of people look and seek for that kind of advice. And you can actually get paid by the hour if you're able to give that kind of an advice. And I'm not saying that anyone can do this. You need to have some sort of a temperament, some sort of understanding, some sort of maturity to be able to do this. But if you are such a person, then there are a lot of people who might want to hire you on an hourly basis looking for relationship advice. They have questions on their life as to what to do, how to do it, and why such and such things are happening. And sometimes an outsider or somebody who is looking at it from a different perspective might be finding it easier to answer such questions. So if you are such a person who can listen to people, who can convince people, who can give them good advice, then relationship advice is something you can pursue. And you can find relationship advice seekers on Fiverr.com. Again, click on the link below and sign up, and you will get access to jobs posted on Fiverr. So the third one is language lessons. As you know, there are different types of languages available. In India itself, there is like at least 24 different types of languages. Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi, Punjabi, Telugu, and there's Spanish, Chinese, Portuguese, and different types of languages as well. There's always requirement for people to translate one piece of content into another language. For example, an English written article should be translated to Portuguese or Punjabi or Telugu. Similarly, there's all kinds of translation services available. Also, lessons. People are looking to learn some of these languages. Like, for example, if you sign up by clicking on the link below and go to Fiverr, you'll notice that there are people who wants to learn certain languages. There are people who wants to learn Portuguese. There are people who wants to learn Spanish. And if you are a native speaker in that language, you can offer your services on Fiverr saying that I can teach you Spanish X dollars per hour. So there's always a requirement for that. When you go to Fiverr, clicking on the link below, you will notice that there is a tab where it says language services, and there's translation as well as language lessons. So make sure if you are strong in your language, go in there and sign up and see how many people want to hire you. Number 4, and the last way to make money from home, is writing website content. And this is somewhat of a misleading topic or misunderstood topic, because a lot of people think that, oh yeah, I know, writing content is easy. I can write in proper English and 500 words for one article. You pay me $25 or whatever it is. This thing has been going on for some time, but the important thing here is website content writing is very different from your regular bookish kind of writing, because on websites these days, specifically, with the advance of SEO and user behavior and everything, on the web, people like to read more casual language, shorter sentences. People try to use abbreviations like ASL please or LOL and that kind of stuff. So writing for the web is actually different from your bookish kind of writings. So you need to have that kind of a temperament. You need to have read a lot of amazing copy on the internet, copy as in amazing articles on the internet, so that you understand what people like and what people don't. So web content writing is very different, but provided you can crack it, the ins and outs of it, there's a huge demand for it. There are a lot of people who are willing to pay more than even $50 per hour for those kind of services. So if you are somebody who is very good with English and who knows what's the kind of stuff that actually works on the internet, make sure you advertise your services on Fiverr. Click on the link below, sign up, and go advertise on Fiverr. You'll be surprised the kind of results you will get, the interest that people will show to hire you. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I shared with you 4 different ways how you can sit at home and make money online. But final word is that making money online is not a cookie cutter kind of a machine kind of a way of doing things where you just post something and immediately make money. Of course, there's a little bit of legacy involved. You have to be very good in that. So for example, if you're writing website content, you have to make sure that you start doing smaller gigs and then get reputation for it. Somebody should vouch for you. There's a little bit of history involved, so that somebody else who's coming to hire you will notice that, okay, this person has done this much good job in the past, so maybe I can hire him or her. So this kind of legacy and trust building is essential in online world, because you just like how you wouldn't trust a company or a scam, people wouldn't trust you back either. So you have to build that trust. You have to give quality services and make sure that you get good reviews for it, so that new people who wants to hire you can hire you, closing their eye. So keep that in mind. So it's not like I go sign up on Fiverr and immediately start making money. It takes a little bit of time, but on Fiverr's like websites, it's comparatively a lot more easier. It's unlike going into job portals and just submitting your resume and just waiting for eternity. No, it doesn't work here. If you can provide good service, people are willing to pay you good. So make use of that. Sign up on Fiverr, click on the link below, and you'll get access to Fiverr. Go in there and check out these different categories I said. Maybe you'll stumble across different other categories as well. There's a lot of jobs available. There's no dearth of opportunity. Based on what is your talent and how much time you have, there's a lot you can do. Wish you all the best. See you in another video. This is Mani Karthik signing off.